Hey everybody, Miss Barrington here, and yesterday we took a picture walk of the book, The Little Blue Truck, and today we are going to read it. So let's take a listen. Horn went beep, engine purred, friendliest sounds you've ever heard. Beep beep. Little blue truck came down the road. Beep, said Blue to a big green toad. Let's say beep, beep. Toad said, croak, and winked an eye when little blue truck went rolling by. Sheep said, baa. Cow said, moo. Oink, said a piggy. Beep, said Blue. There all the animals are. Cluck, said a chicken, and her chick said beep. Ma, said a goat, but Blue went beep. Neigh, said a horse. Quack, said a duck. Beep, said the friendly little blue truck. Honk, yelled a dump truck. Coming through. I've got important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck along the way. Vroom went the dump around a curve. He saw a puddle and he tried to swerve. Into the mud rolled the big fat truck with his big important wheels got stuck. Oh no, he's stuck in the mud. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were sunk down deep in muck and mire. Honk, cried the dump, and he sounded scared. But nobody heard or nobody cared. Then into the mud, bump, 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 came the little blue truck to help the dump. Little Blue pushed with all his might. Now Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. Oh no, they're stuck in the mud. Help, 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 cried the little blue truck. Beep, 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 I'm stuck, stuck, stuck. Everybody heard that beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with the pig and sheep. They're on their way. Up at the gallop ran the big brown horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. The hen came flapping with the chick and the duck. And everybody pushed the little blue truck. Head to head and rump to rump, they all pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load. Then who hopped up but the green toad? Oh, he was the strongest. All together, 1, 2, 3, one last push, and the trucks were free. Thanks, little brother, said the dump to Blue. You helped me, and they helped you. Now I see. A lot depends on a helping hand from a few good friends. Beep, said Blue. Who wants a ride? Everyone scrambled to jump inside. Oink, quack, baa. Moo, cluck, peep. Neigh, croak, ma. Beep, beep, beep. The end. What a great story.